The woman pulled the suitcase. The children pulled the Christmas cracker. The man pulled the body along the ground. The boy pulled the girl's hair. The woman pulled the elephant along the grass. The woman pulled the book from the shelf. The dog pulled on the rope. The man pulled himself up. The horses pulled the carriage. The horses pulled the wagon. The huskies pulled the sledge. The woman pulled the man's tie because she was angry at him. The men pulled the rope with their hands. They were playing tug-of-war. The boy pulled back the slingshot. The gardener pulled the weeds out of the ground. The woman was really stressed and pulled her hair out. The man pulled the woman along in the sleigh. The boy pulled a piece of the block out of the Jenga tower. The woman pulled the thread through the needle. The tractor pulled the trailer through the wheat field. The man pulled the fire alarm to alert people about a fire. The warehouse worker pulled the pallet truck with all the boxes on it. The woman pulled herself up on the rope. The man pulled himself up on the gymnastic rings. The magician pulled a rabbit out of the hat. The man pulled the house to save it from going over the cliff. The dog pulled on the lead. The woman pulled herself back and forth on the rowing machine. The snail robbed a bank. It pulled the money along the ground. The actor pulled open the curtain. The nurse pulled the stretcher along the hospital corridor. The speedboat pulled the water skier along the water. The hand pulled out the plug from the socket. The man and woman both pulled on the rope. They were playing tug-of-war. The young woman pulled up the handbrake. The man pulled on the glove. The worker pulled out the washing machine. The dentist pulled out the boy's tooth. The two businessmen were pulled apart from fighting each other.